Na-intimidate ako kay Miss Yula. Siya yung kontrabida. And mukha siyang laging matare. Like, hello mga kapuso, ako po si Abdul Rahman and I'll be playing as Jorel Vergara here in Forever Young. Si Jorel Vergara, to put it in simple terms, ay isang playboy. Yun siya initially, pakikilala nyo siya as just a playboy na nepo baby na lahat nakukuha niya at a snap of a finger. Pero makikita natin na meron palang lalim at meron palang mga pinaghuhugutan itong batang ito. Makikita nyo yan, it all starts with Rain, played by Althea Blanco. For me, sobrang nakaka-challenge yung gagawin ni Yuen. Nagaganap siya ng edad that is 15 years older than he actually is. Ako personally, I'm excited to see paano niya mapupull off yun. Logically speaking, it's easier for someone to play a character that is younger. Pero for you to play a character that is more than a decade older than you, parang mahirap yun. Lalo na for a kid like Yuen, parang 10, 11 years old lang si Yuen, tapos ang gaganap niyang character is 25. So, I'm actually curious, like, gusto talaga makita yun. Like, sobrang, nung una, na-intimidate ako. Sorry, Miss Yula. Love you. Siya yung kontrabida. Mukha siyang laging matare. Like, now na nakasama ko siya ng matagal, siya pala yung magiging pinaka-close ko. Well, given naman na siya yung pinakamaraming scenes ko that I do with, alongside with Althea and Rambo, I really enjoy being around her. Para siyang cool mom, ganun. Nakakatawa yung mga jokes niya. Hindi nga ako makafocus most of the time. Mga kapuso, abangan po natin ang Forever Young ngayong October 21st on GMA Afternoon Prime.